Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Looking for the best mud flaps for your Ram 3500 dually? Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 options that combine durability and style. You won't want to miss this. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment for more updates. Let's start. Number 1. Husky Liners rear mudguards for the 2010 to 2018 Dodge Ram 3500 with OEM fender flares and dual rear wheels offer a perfect fit with factory-like precision. Constructed from impact-resistant thermoplastic, these mudguards are designed to endure the toughest conditions, while the proprietary Husky Shield film adds an invisible protective layer. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a few screws and minutes of your time. Enhance your vehicle's appearance with sleek, factory-matching style and added custom flair. Proudly made in the USA, these mudguards come with a lifetime guarantee, ensuring durability and satisfaction for the life of your vehicle. Number 2. WeatherTech Custom No-Drill Splash Guard Mud Flaps for Ram Truck 2500/3500, front and rear set, black. Provide superior protection for select Dodge Ram Truck 2500/3500 models. Made in the USA, these mud flaps are laser measured for a perfect fit and mount in minutes without the need for wheel or tire removal. No drilling into your vehicle's painted metal surface is required. Contoured specifically for each make and model, they are molded from a proprietary thermoplastic resin for robust durability. Ensure a seamless fit by confirming compatibility with your year, make, and model in Amazon Garage prior to purchase. Enhance your vehicle's defense against road debris effortlessly with these high-quality mud flaps. Number 3. Kiwi Master Mud Flaps are expertly designed for 2009 to 18 Dodge Ram 1500, 2019 to 24 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic, and 2010 to 18 Dodge Ram 2500/3500 without OEM fender flares and with single rear wheels. Crafted from heavy-duty polymer, these splash guards withstand extreme temperatures without cracking or warping. They offer excellent protection against mud and debris, ensuring a cleaner vehicle and safer driving. Installation is a breeze with all mounting hardware included. Backed by a lifetime warranty, Kiwi Master ensures top-notch quality and customer satisfaction. For any issues, their responsive support is just a message away. Upgrade your Ram with these reliable, durable mud flaps today. Number 4. Luverne 250932 front 12-inch x 23-inch textured rubber mudguards are the ultimate protection for your Dodge or Ram truck. Crafted from 3/8-inch recycled rubber, these heavy-duty mud flaps guard against mud, rocks, and gravel, ensuring your vehicle stays pristine. The unique 18-gauge stainless steel splash guard plates add a stylish accent while enhancing durability. With a textured surface that conceals scuffs and grime, these mud guards maintain a clean look. Installation is a breeze with corrosion-resistant hardware and sturdy galvanized steel brackets. Choose Luverne mud guards for reliable protection and a sleek, polished finish on your truck. Number 5. Mopar 2019 Dodge Ram 3500 Dually Black Rubber Molded Splash Guards OEM. Engineered to perfection, these splash guards are a must-have accessory for your Dodge Ram 3500 dually. Crafted from high-quality rubber, they offer superior protection against mud, dirt, and road debris, keeping your truck looking pristine. Designed specifically for the 2019 model, these OEM splash guards ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration with your vehicle's exterior. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included hardware and simple instructions. Elevate your truck's style and safeguard its finish with the Mopar splash guards. In conclusion, selecting the best mud flaps for your Ram 3500 dually is crucial for both protection and style. After reviewing various options, it's evident that, Insert chosen mud flap brand/model. Stands out for its durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're navigating tough terrain or cruising the highway, these mud flaps offer unparalleled performance. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below. Share this video for more updates and stay tuned for future content. Thanks for watching.